Now, today we shall study about structure of cells. For you see diagrams in your books, usually they are two-dimensional. Here I have made a three-dimensional diagram of a cell. This can be a plant cell or animal cell. Here I am not naming it. This is only, you can say it a cell. The cells are three-dimensional in nature, means they have both length, breadth and height, like this box. Okay, it's a box है. This box has length, breadth and height. Okay, and each cell has a nucleus in it, in the center, like here nucleus. It is also a three-dimensional entity, like a ball. It is not circular, it is globular, like a ball. So now a question rises, will this nucleus move here and there? No. The cells contain a cytoskeleton made up of a large number of thin fibers. They make a mesh work inside the cell, which doesn't let the cell organelles like nucleus or others to move freely. This hinders their movement, and this is called a cytoskeleton. It is made up of many thin fibers known as microtubules and microfilaments. Both of these are made up of tubulin proteins. For advanced study, you must learn about these structures. So, keep in mind the cell is three-dimensional, either plant cell, animal cell or bacterial cell. All are three-dimensional structures, and they have nucleus and other organelles. They are also three-dimensional entities. And now I will make a plant cell and get to learn about its boundaries, its cell organelles, and how to draw a diagram. To draw a plant cell, see here, where the plant cell can be drawn like a hexagon. Here we are making the outermost boundary of plant cell known as cell wall. Labeling can be done on a side so that it is very clear. After making cell wall, there is a very thin membrane, and it is called plasma membrane. Here are some small pores which connects two cells. Near here are other cells, okay, connected with this cell. Each plant cell has a number of vacuoles. This is vacuole, okay, filled with many water and minerals, and here is a nucleus controlling different cellular activities nucleus has a small nucleolus. Nucleus contains a mass work, or you can say reticulate network known as chromatin network. Thin threads like structure it is, and it is called chromatin network. Each cell contains mitochondria, and it is plant cells, so it must have chloroplast. This is mitochondria, and this one is chloroplast. Nucleus is connected with a network and it is known as endoplasmic reticulum. And there are other cell organelles. One of them very important is Golgi body. These are important for protein synthesis and other activities. This is Golgi body. Here are the small particles here and there. Some are on endoplasmic reticulum. These are called ribosomes. The cell is not vacant. It contains many kinds of chemical compounds in it, and it is called cytoplasm. The liquid in the cell is called cytoplasm. The liquid in the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. Here, nucleus liquid is nucleoplasm, and both of these are known as protoplasm. Okay, and the liquid only in the space between nucleus and chloroplast, mitochondria here means the liquid which is not inside any cell organelles. These are called cell organelles. It is called cytosol. Okay, cytosol is the liquid not included in any cell organelles. These connections are called plasmodesmator, which let cells to communicate with each other. Write down below the cell figure a plant cell. Okay, this is basically fundamental diagram of a plant cell. Now you must study detailed structure of each cell organelles: nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, and I will also explain them one by one. So I would like to end the lecture now, and I will explain in the next lecture about an animal cell then bacterial cell, and then we will classify them into prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells.